Did you know that nearly 70% of homeowners believe more cleaning products lead to a cleaner home? Yet, experts agree that this common misconception can actually make cleaning less effective and sometimes even damage your surfaces. It's easy to assume that our regular cleaning routines are keeping our homes in top shape. But what if some of the things we've always believed just aren't true? Today, we're tackling some of the most widespread cleaning myths that could be holding you back from maintaining a truly clean, healthy home. Cleaning myths are everywhere, passed down from generations, shared between neighbors, or showcased in glossy household magazines. Many so-called cleaning tips have been accepted as fact, regardless of whether they actually work. These myths not only shape our cleaning habits, but can also lead to wasted time, unnecessary expenses, and sometimes less effective or even harmful cleaning results. So, why do these myths persist? Often, it comes down to tradition, misinformation, clever marketing, or simply looking for shortcuts. The truth is, holding on to cleaning myths might mean you're missing out on better, faster, and safer methods to keep your home looking its best. Let's consider the challenges homeowners face because of these myths. Have you ever spent hours scrubbing a stubborn stain, convinced you just needed to try harder or use extra strength products? Do you find yourself going through endless bottles of cleaners or feeling frustrated that your home just doesn't seem as spotless as it should? These struggles are all too common. Following unfounded advice can lead to wasted time, extra effort, and sometimes even damaged furniture or surfaces. Worse yet, some myths can even affect your family's health, exposing you to harsh chemicals unnecessarily, or failing to properly remove allergens and bacteria. It's time to set the record straight. Let's dive into some of the most common cleaning myths, and more importantly, uncover the facts and techniques that will actually help you maintain a healthier, happier home. One popular myth is that if a little cleaner is good, more is better. Many assume that doubling up on detergent or spraying extra disinfectant will boost results, but in reality, using too much can leave behind sticky residues, attract dirt, or even damage surfaces. For example, excess laundry detergent can cling to fabric, making clothes feel stiff and causing residue buildup in your washing machine. According to cleaning experts, using only the recommended amount, sometimes even less, is not just sufficient but essential for peak performance. Another myth that sticks around is that disinfecting and cleaning are the same thing. It's easy to conflate the two, but there's a crucial difference. Cleaning removes visible dirt, dust, and debris, while disinfecting specifically targets and kills bacteria and viruses. Think about a kitchen countertop after preparing raw chicken. Merely wiping it down with a cloth may leave germs behind. Experts recommend first cleaning the surface and then using an appropriate disinfectant, leaving it on for the correct contact time indicated on the label to truly sanitize your space. You've probably heard the myth that wood furniture should always be polished. Generations have been brought up with the ritual of polishing wood, but modern furniture experts caution against overuse. Frequent polishing can lead to a buildup of oily residue, making furniture sticky and attracting even more dust. In most cases, simply dusting with a microfiber cloth is enough to keep wood looking clean. Only occasionally, and with the proper product, should you polish wood pieces. Another common belief is that bleach cleans everything. While bleach is a powerful disinfectant, it doesn't clean dirt or grime. It simply whitens and sanitizes. That means, for tasks like mold removal from grout, it's important to first scrub away the physical fungi with a cleaning solution before using bleach to disinfect. Using bleach incorrectly, or on the wrong surfaces, such as metal, laminate, or fabrics, can also mean discoloration or corrosion. Experts suggest saving the bleach for sanitizing bathroom fixtures or laundry, using milder, safer agents for most other cleaning jobs. Let's talk about floors. Many believe that mopping with hot water is the best way to clean all floors. While hot water can be effective for sanitizing certain surfaces, it can actually damage wood or laminate flooring, causing warping or fading. The right approach depends on the material. For hardwood, use a damp mop and a cleaner made for wood, making sure the floor dries quickly. Excess water is an enemy of natural materials. Less is often more. You might also have heard that air fresheners clean the air. Plug-ins, sprays, and scented candles can give our homes a pleasant aroma, but they only mask odors and do nothing to clean the air. In fact, they can add chemicals that may irritate sensitive individuals. The best way to freshen your home is to regularly open windows for ventilation and clean surfaces using fragrance-free products to address the source of odors, not just cover them up. Now, let's highlight the most surprising myth of all, the idea that vacuuming your carpet too often will wear it out. For years, people have limited their vacuuming, fearing it would harm fibers. But according to carpet manufacturers, the opposite is true. Frequent vacuuming keeps dust, debris, and dirt from building up within the fibers, which actually prolongs your carpet's life and keeps it looking newer longer. Allowing grit to accumulate causes more friction and damage with every step. The right vacuum and technique can help maintain a fresh, healthy carpet for years without causing excess wear. To recap, the cleaning myths we've examined include the misguided belief that more cleaner is always better, that disinfecting and cleaning are the same, that all wood must be polished, that bleach is a universal solution, that hot water is best for every floor, that air fresheners purify your air, and that vacuuming carpets too often causes damage. Each of these misconceptions can lead to wasted time, unnecessary expense, and most importantly, less effective home maintenance. The keys to a cleaner, more comfortable home are surprisingly simple. Use the right amount of product, distinguish between cleaning and disinfecting, care for your surfaces according to their materials, and address odors at their source, not just with fragrances. By letting science and expert advice guide your cleaning practices, you'll save time, money, and effort, all while enjoying a healthier home environment. If you found these tips helpful and want to debunk more common household myths, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your cleaner, smarter home starts today.